everyone. So, in today's topic, we will be covering using DAX creator calculator columns in PowerBi. So, let us see the implementation of that. Okay. So, I need to open the Power BI. I opened the Power BI. Now, I'm just going to I'm going to load my CSV file. Okay, from get data, I'm just going to upload my CSV file. From CSV, I'm going to upload my sample sales data. Okay. So what are the rows and columns which is there in my sample data? I will be showing that to you. So it is connecting to it. Okay. So it has order ID, customer name, product, order date, revenue, and the cost. Okay. So these are the column name, and I have a minimum samples of 5 samples for each of them. Okay. At the end, you can see the load icon. So it just loaded. Now you are going to perform the operation. Okay, so what operations you are going to do? Once it is been loaded, you can see it says that it is loading. Okay, so DAX is nothing but the data analyst expression, which is the formula language used to create your calculated columns, your measures, your custom tables, right? So DAX will be helpful for these things. Then what will be the calculated column? So calculated columns will be particularly useful when you need to add any new data to your existing table based on a specific conditions or a transformation. Okay. If I want to a condition with a condition, I just want to add a column to my existing one. Okay. For that, I need to go to the modeling. In the ribbon, you can see it is a modeling. Add new column. On that, you can add a new column icon will be there. Once the new column icon is open, you can see the DAX. Okay. So at the right hand side of the pan, you can see the data. Shows my sales sample sales data with column name, my customer name, with the order numbers and the revenue. Okay. So these are the things which is being there. Okay. If I want to, I need to add a column name called as profit equals to revenue minus cost. Okay. This is my new column name with revenue minus cost, and I executed the particular cell. Okay. You can see. So this is the column which has been added over it. So you can add like that. Okay. Now if I want to visualize this one. Okay. If I want to visualize by using structured column tab. Okay. I just click on it. Okay. And for my x-axis and passing, you need to just drag and drop. Right. So just drag and drop for x-axis. It needs to be product, and y-axis for me it is 7. Okay. I just want to 7. Some of the revenue. Okay. You can see the graph for it. For here it has been created. So graph for laptop, the product of it, the tablet and the iPhone. Okay. The product has been created. If you want a table view, here you at the left visualization, you can see table. Just click on the table. You can see the table of it. Okay. For each of it, how much it is there. Okay. Same way you can also visualize your calculated column also. So this is the way is to create the calculated column from your existing one. Okay, so that it will be easy to visualize. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you.